Let's talk about hobbies. Those things we do just for fun. Today, we're going to dive into why these simple activities are so much more than just pastimes. They're actually a kind of secret weapon for a happier, more balanced life. So, let's get into it. Just think about your day for a second. The phone buzzing, the never-ending to-do lists, all the things you're juggling in your head. It's a lot, right? In this crazy, fast-paced world we live in, where do you go to find your quiet place? Well, the answer might be simpler than you think. So, what exactly is a hobby? It's really simple. It's something you do in your free time, purely for pleasure or to relax. No boss, no deadline, no pressure. It's something that's just for you. But don't let that simple definition fool you. Hobbies are an absolute powerhouse. Seriously, they're not just about killing time. They are about making that time richer, fuller, and way more meaningful. Okay, first up, and this is a big one, stress. Picture this. You've had a long, maybe kind of terrible day. But then you get home and you pick up your guitar or you start working in your garden. And just like that, all the noise from the day starts to fade away. You get so into it that you forget to worry. That's a real thing, by the way. It's called a flow state, and it's like a mini vacation for your brain. And you know what else? Hobbies are basically a playground for your brain. Think about it. When you're trying a new recipe, you're learning about creativity and patience. When you're playing a team sport, you're learning about collaboration. You're picking up all these amazing skills without it ever feeling like work. It makes learning feel like an adventure again. Hobbies are also an amazing way to connect with people. I mean, when you share something you're passionate about, there's an instant bond, right? A book club is so much more than just reading. It's about sharing big ideas. A hiking group isn't just about the trail. It's about pushing each other to keep going. It's how we find our people. I love this quote. Hobbies are like a short holiday for the mind. Isn't that perfect? It's your chance to escape, to press the reset button without ever having to pack a bag. You can take this little holiday every single day. But hobbies go even deeper than that. They're not just a break from your life. In a way, they're a reflection of it. They're like a mirror, showing you who you really are and what you truly love. Just take a look at this. Do you see yourself in here anywhere? Maybe you're the calm and curious type who loves getting lost in a good book. Or maybe you're full of energy and live for sports. Are you a creative painter or a patient gardener? Your hobbies are clues to your personality. So, what do yours say about you? And here's the cool thing. Our hobbies grow with us. Remember being a kid and collecting stickers? Or spending hours and hours drawing your favorite characters? Well, as we get older, those same interests might evolve into playing guitar or learning a new language. Our hobbies are part of our story, changing and growing right along with us. Okay, so we've pretty much established that hobbies are awesome. But that brings us to the big question, the one everyone always asks. If they're so great, why is it so hard to make time for them? Well, that leads us right to the number one obstacle. Yeah, I can almost hear you thinking it. That sounds great, but I just don't have the time. It's the go-to excuse for everything, isn't it? Life is busy. There's work, family, errands, finding a spare hour can feel totally impossible. But what if we're thinking about time all wrong? What if all you needed was this? Just 10 minutes. That's it. A hobby doesn't have to be some huge, time-consuming project. It can be a small, daily dose of joy. 10 minutes to read a chapter, to sketch in a notebook, to just listen to an album. It's not about how much time you have. It's about making a little bit of time for your own happiness. So, how do you even start? First, just be curious. Try stuff. Don't be afraid to be bad at something new. Second, and this is important, listen to yourself. Pick something you genuinely love, not something you feel like you should be doing. And finally, make it a habit. Just a tiny little ritual every day. That's how it sticks. All right, as we start to bring this all together, there's one last really powerful idea I want to share. The joy you get from your hobby, it doesn't just stop with you. It actually creates this amazing ripple effect that spreads out into the world. And if you're feeling inspired but have no idea where to begin, here are some super simple ideas. You can start any of these today. Seriously, no special gear, no huge commitment, just a simple invitation to find a little bit of joy. And this really gets to the heart of it all. Hobbies create a circle of joy. When you do something that fills you with happiness, that joy spills over into every other part of your life. A more relaxed you is a better friend, a more patient parent, a more creative person at work. Your joy becomes something you can share. You're not just sharing a hobby, you're sharing happiness. And that might just inspire someone else to find their own. So, I'll leave you with a question. After all of this, the stress relief, the new skills, the human connection, what joy are you going to create for yourself starting today? What's your story going to be? The power is all yours. Go find your thing.